Hello everyone, this is Zaida Gholami from AgriMath Research Company, and today I'm going to teach you how to make pie charts in Excel. So first of all, you can see that here I have some data. I have here a report of the production of saffron in the year 2011 and 12. So I have some corms, I have some leaf, and I have some stigma. The pie chart works the best for the data contribution to each other. Okay, so you want to have a whole number and you use the pie chart to show that each value has how much contribution to that whole. So here I want to draw the pie chart for my this saffron yield production. I select these two rows. I go to insert and then select pie chart and pick one of them. Now you can change the colors and themes, and here I can also go to change chart type, and I can make it like this, or I can go to color and make another color composite, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.